everyone to Punlok Engineer Channel. Today I'm going to show you about how can the generator machine working. So I would like to detail about the specification of the generator device that provides something like electricity to all the building or the manufacturing or the hotel, motel, everything. So the generator machine can be work should be have the power like the primary power, standby power, power factor, and voltage, frequency, speed of the motor running, and maximum of the kilowatt, maximum of the KVA power for using in the building or something like that. So all the power, all the generator machine should be calculated from the electrical engineer or electrical management that should be select the specification clearly for support all the building and manufacturing. So how can this machine working? This machine working with the diesel that supply the motor and machine mechanic inside the generator working, and then the machine it release the smoke and something that released from the machine inside will be released to the pipe outside, and the smoke will be a black color or gray. And at the head of the machine have the cooling fan that release the cool air to the machine that can be work more. And also the machine have the tail of the machine that release output of the power to the bus bar, and then the bus bar is connected to the MSB room. The MSB room is connected to the auto transfer switch. The auto transfer switch is waiting to synchronize the power from the EDC and between the generator machine. When the electricity from the EDC disconnect, and then the power that feeding to this machine also disconnect also, and then the automatic transfer switch will be switched to the generator.